written in 1970 by Melanie. I capo it up here on the 3rd fret. Everything I say will be relative to the 3rd fret, so if I say I'm playing a G, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly a B flat. The reason I play it on the 3rd fret is that it's the same key that Melanie plays it in, so if you want to play it along with the video, you can play it on in this key. Throughout this song, I do an alternating bass, usually between the 6th and the 4th. I start off with a G chord. The melody for this first part is B, 3rd fret of the 3rd string, B, D, 3rd fret of the 3rd string, open E, and then you move down to an E minor, where the melody's on your 3rd string, and then your melody's on your 4th string. And you continue the alternating bass, this time between the 6th and the 5th strings. So the first 2 chords look like this: the G, E minor, the melody for this C chord is open E, 4th fret on your 2nd string, open E, 3rd fret on your 1st string, and then the 4th fret on your 2nd string, and the E, and then down to a C, and then to the B flat, which is in your C7th chord. And you're doing that along with your alternating bass. You're keeping your C chord down the entire time. So the first 4 measures are to the G. On the G chord, you play the B 2nd string, open, and then you move up to an A chord. For the A chord, you're just hitting the 5th string open, the 4th and the 3rd strings on the 2nd fret. And the melody is on the 3rd, 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 4th, as you're holding down these 2 2nd frets. So it's and for the C major 7th chord, it is actually a C major 7th with an added A to it, because they're going to add that note in there to the melody. When the G, G, A, B, G, E. So starting at the 5th measure, G, A, C, major 7th, and with the alternating bass. Down to the G. Oh, and the melody for the G chord is an open B, 3rd fret on your 3rd string, up to a D chord, but since you're not playing the first string, you only have to hold down those 2 frets. A, and the melody is D, A, open B, G. This is a strumming version of the song. And here's finger picking all the way through. For the D chord, sometimes she goes on the piano and sometimes it's before she goes back into the next phrase. And then she just repeats the same phrase over and over again about a dozen times. Her melodies are variable as she sings different lines with each phrase. Sometimes she'll add the 7th note with the C chord, and sometimes she won't. Listen to the video and it's very easy to figure it out.